Okay, we are at the end of day 5. We had one rain day last week and then a half a day last week. And we have the retaining wall that the builders are putting in. I am not doing this. They have spent a few days getting the base down, and now they spent today adding the 3rd, 4th row going across the top. The bottom row will be buried, and there's this little curve right here, which is nice. You can kind of see the curve coming in. So this is going to curve right here, and over here is going to be the Sundance hot tub, which is 9.5 feet in length. So it's a pretty big one. So that's why it kind of straightens out right here. This wall comes over here, and then this will be paver patios all down here. So we are getting close to having our wall in. It's nice when you can hire professionals and they definitely know what they're doing. And then there's some steps over here that will be done, and all this down here will be the pavers. He said they're hopefully will kind of get some of this capped off, finish off this corner. They're deciding how they really want to do it. The hot tub will be over here, so it's kind of just making sure everything is how they want it and looks nice. And then they're going to kind of clean up some of this area up here. We've got some trees and some plants that will go down and a little bit of irrigation, and then probably do the steps next. I don't really know. That's all their decision. On this end over here, we have a step down. We thought about doing the step down, but they're going to straighten it up just because there's all the dirt around it and we won't get any of the stuff coming over the edge onto the pavers down here. So just make sure we keep the pavers clean. So that seems like a nice thing to do. They know what they're doing. They've done this a lot. I've never done it, which is why we had somebody else do it. And there's no way I could do this. I have an idea how they do it because I've watched videos, but I know I can't do it. And then this will get cleaned up here. But you can see it's got a nice little curve. It's kind of nice to add, just adds a little bit to it. And then all of this will get paver patioed with some trees over there, hot tub over here, little walk area over there. And we will be closer to being done. But it's fun just to document how they've been working. They've been doing such a great job. It's not easy. As you can see, there's trees here, but it's all sun back here. So props to the people that are working hard outside all day long. And we will see you tomorrow.